When I paint, I chat with myself. Since not many people watch my videos, I might as well use this channel as a platform for self-gunk chat. In the future, for every video I make, I will use an animated character to replace me and chat with you, designing an animated character that can reflect my inner world. Although they are different images, they are all my inner world. It seems like I'm talking to you, but in fact, I'm talking to myself. I have made over 100 videos with less than 100 followers. I am a solitary practitioner, and every painting is a pleasure for me. I do not consider painting as a task at all, because painting itself is a part of my life. Looking at every vivid from my paint, my heart is filled with comfort. Originally, I wanted to create a design that resembled a zombie in this painting, but later on, I was attracted by the original character imaging, gave up on the zombie design. I will sincerely draw the character as it is. After all, it is important to paint happily. There are not many areas in each of my paintings that I finely depict, and I rarely paint many places such as the dark side. This is to achieve a balance between the virtual and real relationships in the overall picture, and to make the picture look more coordinated. I am currently drawing with a hand-drawn board, and I am thinking that if I could have more time to devote to painting, I would have the impulse to return to painting with oil paints, and there would be a joy of reshaping myself. Painting is about dealing with another kind of time and space, where the image of that time and space is more important than reality, because subjective feelings are more important than objective existence. I hope to use my painting techniques to create a world of my own ideas, and reference images are the way I use the real world to express my inner understanding. Writers have a natural ability to express depths of thought beyond ordinary levels through words. If they can write, they can speak, but not painters. Painters use brushes, and the depth of painting can never be fully expressed through words. Therefore, painters are usually not as good at speaking. Every time I finish a painting, that satisfies me. I say to myself, my friend, you are really amazing. You will do better. That's all for today. I look forward to seeing you again. If you like my work, please follow me and give me a like. Thank you.